Hey everybody, welcome back to day number 6 of the 7-day water fasting challenge. As you can see, I feel a lot better than I did yesterday. I just needed a good night's sleep, I guess. I don't know what it was that had me down yesterday. Massive headache with the rain. I couldn't walk. It just got to me. But today, I've been rocking out. I did 7 hours of steps today. It was gorgeous outside. I'm currently at 39,000 steps for the day, which is almost double. You know, I normally do 20,000 a day, so this makes up for the steps I missed yesterday. I'm going to do the exercise that I missed yesterday also, since yesterday I was just feeling kind of down and out and really sicky, and it's just janky. You don't really want to, push yourself when you have like a massive headache. But I ended up getting a really good night's sleep. I went to bed last night at 9, got up this morning at 10, so I slept. I was in bed 13 hours. I didn't sleep the whole 13 hours, obviously. So, let's get to the exercises. We're going to do squats, penguins, sit-ups. We're going to do push-ups. We're going to do front shoulders. We're going to do our tricep presses. And then the new exercise for today is just a straight-up bicep curl. So we're going to do all of these in a row, high speed, with a little music playing. Tell me what you think. And then, if you're with me, still, toss me a comment at the end, guys. Because tomorrow is the last day! Yeah! Maxie.
What?
You want to count?
Sure.
Oh, my legs hurt. 40,000 steps is tough, buddy.
1, 2.
You don't have to be that loud.
3,
this thing picks up pretty well.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now, guys, my internet here at the house has been down for how many hours?
What time is it?
Oh, it's 8:30.
8:30. 3, maybe 4.
3 or 4 hours, and resetting the router isn't turning it on. So I will upload this video maybe a little late. It just depends on when my internet comes back. So let's finish my... Which side? I forgot which hand goes on top.
Just put
It doesn't really matter, guys.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
My neck's still a little tense from all the walking.
You did 40 last time. You gotta do like 50.
Oh, okay.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Happy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not. My legs are tired. 20 miles today, boy. Oh,
Yeah, but you did 40 last time, so you had to beat it.
I hear you. Okay. Penguins?
Yep.
Penguins. You want to come do them with me? Aw.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Hope you guys are doing this with me.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
You changed the way you're moving your head. Messing with my rhythm.
49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71.
You got really bad timing, Alexis. I'm in the middle of recording my video. What's up for today? You do the 160? Today's day 16? Sweet. Okay, since it's posted and I'm actually recording, I'm going to tell everybody, hey guys, this is Lexi. She just posted a new video to her channel with the 10 plus 10 sit-up challenge that I put against her for 30 days. She's on day 16 and she just posted a video doing 160 sit-ups, which is substantial because I can't do that right now. Good job, sweetie. Let me get back to work. Love you. Bye. Isn't that awesome? Nice random timing. What number was I on?
71.
Okay. Ooh, and I'm back from outer space. I just saw myself walk in with that sad look upon my face.
73, 74, 75.
Every time I touch
76.
here, you need to count. You're killing me, kiddo.
Count slow.
You're doing
77,
something.
78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Oh! Oh! That burned really good. Oh. Push-ups?
Yep. Either that or what was the other one? Your thingies?
Push-ups, sit-ups, shoulders, triceps, and then curls. We got a lot left to do today.
That's not
So-
full exercises.
Yeah, it's not that many. Make sure I'm in the frame when I do my push-ups. If I do them over here, if not, move the camera over.
Okay. You should be in frame. It's all the way to the wall.
My legs.
It goes from wall to wall, so
My legs hurt. How many push-ups I do last time? 25?
I don't remember.
You're the one that counted them.
I know, I remembered everything in the
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Oh. Oh. I'm I'm just not gaining that much strength in my push-ups. Oh. We're gonna do some more.
You have to. You have to be correct.
Okay. Ah.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
31. I normally just roll it.
Yeah, you have the vacuum that we still haven't put together.
It's true.
1 second, I'm not heavy enough.
Oh, I know you're not. I'm getting the butt pad.
Anybody can tell you I'm not heavy enough. My 6-year-old cousin can pick me up.
Okay. Put it towards the front.
Towards the front.
Here, that's where the weight needs to be. Here, sit in the chair. Sit.
The front.
Pick your feet up. We in the middle? Yeah, we're in the middle. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Oh, my back. My back hates me, buddy. Maybe we should skip sit-ups.
Nope.
Oh. Can we skip a little?
Nope.
Okay. Oh. Just let me see if I can get it to pop right. It ain't popping right. It's making my head hurt. Okay. I think I'm ready.
Okay.
How many I gotta do?
I think 25 for this and that. So you got to do at least 30.
30?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I can do that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. You said 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You set a heck of a record for your penguins. You know, you're gonna have to do at least 105 penguins tomorrow.
That'll be okay. Tomorrow's day 7.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I really am gonna push myself as far as I can. So is everybody watching. That's how we do it up in here. Yeah! Challenge time! Challenge time! Ah. Life is way better without a headache.
I'll take these weights.
All right. Shoulders.
And I'm Stacy. Staying camera.
Okay. Just count.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
How many did I lose last time?
I don't know, let's say 25. So, after 30.
You're supposed to remember, you're young with better memory.
I was counting a blue. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
Oh, okay. Okay. Triceps.
Suck, you dropped that.
I won't drop it, buddy.
Okay. 1,
When it goes up, you count, baby.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh. Curl time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Awesome. Here, put everything up. Alright guys, that'll do it for day number 6. Make sure that if you did stay with me through the end here, that you comment down below so I know who's still with me and I can see who's given up by now. And we'll see you tomorrow for the final day.